Vision: UIP 2030, a smart, globally competitive and responsive state university. Mission: UIP is committed to producing globally competent and virtuous human resources, generating advanced knowledge, and developing innovative technologies for the sustainable development of society. Your values: innovativeness, motivation, professionalism, excellence, transparency and accountability, unity and teamwork, sustainability. Motto: Sapientia et virtus in posterum, wisdom and virtue for the future. College goal: the program prepares students to be IT professionals, both local and global contexts, who are expected to be well-versed in applications, installations, operation, development, maintenance, and administration, as well as engage in lifelong learning endeavors which are capable of contributing in research, extensions, and resources generations in the field of information system. Objectives: Number 1. The graduates will be competent professionals with an integrated understanding of computer system, process, and the main body of knowledge being in the field of information technology. They will be IT professionals engaged in career such as solution specialist, organization process analysis, system analysis, data analysis, and information technology developer. Number 2. Capable engaging in professional growth, competent and technology-oriented, participating in lifelong learning activities relevant to the profession, which includes aiming higher learning degrees or completing professional advanced trainings. Number 3. The graduates will be adaptive to the changing environment, be capable of exhibiting professionalism in working individuals, a member of leader of team, communicate effectively, and ensures social and ethical responsibilities in the community and in their profession. Dreams and vision within the minds of nobles, a place to stay, a chance to live and grow. Men endowed with wisdom and honors, molded pride of society. We're singing victorious praises, Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma maters, once realized, built close to every heart, with warm and embrace for all. Like a knight in shining armors, guiding star of searching souls, we're singing victorious praises, Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater, your quest to provide us wits and lights and minds to find us contently endeavors, enabling each to share wherever we are towards greater heights. We go forth and serve God and fellow men, for reaching we will shine. We're singing victorious praises. Ilocos Sur Polytechnic State College, the place where you and I belong. Long live our alma mater. Long live our alma mater. Long live ISPSC.